Greta here, and today I'm going to give you 5 ways to get more sales on your e-commerce store. And these are the ways to get more sales organically without using paid advertising. The 2 ways to get more sales on your store are to sell more to your existing customers or find new customers. So I'm going to cover a couple of techniques for each. So let's jump right into it. The first way to get more sales without needing to increase store traffic is simple, and it's by increasing your AOV or average order value. Your store's average order value is the average amount of money each customer ends up spending per transaction. So you need to persuade your customer to buy more with each order. 2 commonly used ways to increase your AOV are through cross-selling and upselling, but these are commonly confused, so let's define them broadly now. An upsell can be understood as a more expensive or upgraded version of the product your customer's buying, while a cross-sell is a product on your store related to the product that your customer's buying. So let's use my brand Skinny Me Tea as an example and start with upselling. If a customer's interested in our 14-day tea tox priced at $39, we try to upsell them to our 28-day tea tox, which is $65, and promote the percentage discount that they've received by purchasing. It doesn't only have to be quantity that creates an upsell, but can also be quality. For example, if we had a certified organic version of our product that costs more, we might push the benefits of buying this. The aim is simply to get your customer to spend more than they otherwise would have on your store. Moving on to cross-selling, our easiest cross-sell is our tea strainer, as our teas are loose leaf, so you need a tea strainer to drink them. Plus it's a cute novelty item shaped like a lemon or strawberry, and I add the benefit right into the cross-sell that you can re-infuse your tea more times a day using a tea strainer, getting more out of each serve. However, cross-sells don't only have to be logically related to the product. They could simply be product recommendations based on buying behavior, like people who bought this also bought this. However, I've found that keeping it as relevant as possible works better. Apart from cross-selling and upselling, another method to increase your AOV is to set minimum order amounts for free shipping or a free gift with purchase. Otherwise, you could set up a loyalty program or bundle products together to create packages like our complete health pack at Skinny Me Tea. Okay, so moving on to the second way to get more sales in your e-commerce store without increasing traffic, and it's abandoned cart recovery. Not everyone who adds a product to their cart completes their checkout. When a potential customer provides their contact information but doesn't complete their order, you can contact them to encourage them to complete that order. One of the best and most common ways to do this is through an abandoned cart email sequence. The first email might be sent 5 minutes after they've left the items in their cart and act as a simple reminder that they didn't complete their order. This is assuming time was the reason that they didn't make a purchase. Maybe they got distracted or needed to do something else. So a pro tip, which is also time related, is to add urgency to complete the sale. For example, complete your order before we run out of stock. The next email in the sequence, which could be sent 24 hours after, could offer a discount for your product, for example, 10% off or $5 off. We've found offering a dollar number off often works better than a percentage discount as it's more tangible. Again, to add scarcity and create a relevant reason to follow up again later, let them know that this offer is only valid for 48 hours. And so finally, another email sent 48 hours after can tell them that their discount is now expiring. So that's how to use an email sequence to recover abandoned carts. Another couple of ways of retargeting via paid advertising and Facebook Messenger chatbots, which you can research in your own time. Now let's move on to the third way to get more sales on your store by growing your social media following. My social following has been one of my most valuable assets in launching and scaling 4 multi-million-dollar e-commerce startups over the last 6 years. I now have more than 16 million combined followers on Instagram across 25 different Instagram accounts. Instagram has been my platform of choice, but others that are also particularly powerful are YouTube, Facebook, more so for paid advertising than organic audience building, and Pinterest. It's all going to depend on where your target audience spends their time. So do your research and pick 1 or maybe 2 channels to really dominate. But the most important question is, how do you go about growing your social following? To grow your social following, you need to focus on what I call the 3 C's of community, and you might have heard these from me before. The first C is content. The content you post is going to greatly determine the type of followers that you attract to your account, so you want your content to be both relevant and valuable to your target audience. Take a look at what other brands you aspire to be like are posting. These don't necessarily have to be your direct competition, as you want to differentiate yourself, so more brands that are just within your niche. The second C is collaboration, and I'd suggest collaborating with influencers or another brand in your niche to host a giveaway. I'll be going into more detail about influencer marketing later in this video, so let's discuss giveaways now. By collaborating with another brand in your niche to host a giveaway, you're able to mutually benefit from each other by growing each other's social following. Just put together a prize pack of your products and both push the giveaway through your social channel, for example, Instagram. Another really great giveaway that works on Instagram is a tag to win competition. A tag to win giveaway is still one of the most effective giveaway techniques on Instagram to quickly grow your Instagram following. At the fifth, with a single tag to win giveaway, we're able to grow our Instagram following by 20,000 followers in the space of 24 hours. For the exact caption that we used and some more tips and examples, you can jump across to my Hey Influencers blog and read our blog post on how to hold a tag to win giveaway on Instagram. Our website is thisishey.com, or you can just Google Hey Influencers tag to win to find the post. And finally, the third C is consistency. Posting consistently doesn't only help to establish front-of-mind positioning for your brand through repetition, but it's also favored within the Instagram algorithm. In other words, accounts that post consistently will receive more organic reach on their posts, meaning Instagram will show their posts to more people. So keep the 3 C's, content, collaboration, and consistency in mind here. Foundr actually runs the best Instagram course on the market that teaches you step-by-step how to grow your Instagram following, called Instagram Domination. So if you'd like to find out more about that, I'll put the link to that in the description as well. And for the record, I'm in no way associated with the Instagram course, and I'm not an employee of Foundr's. I just strongly recommend this course. Now let's move on to the fourth way to get more sales in your store by growing your email list. Email marketing is still one of the most effective marketing strategies for online stores. And the bigger your email database is, as long as they're quality subscribers, the more sales you'll be able to make for your online store. One great way to grow your email list, which is front of mind after what we just discussed, is converting your social media followers into your email subscribers. The best way to go about doing this is by offering an incentive on social media to sign up to your email database. These could be as simple as sign up to be notified when we launch, sign up to find out when the product's back in stock, or they could even be further incentivized, like sign up for 10% or $5 off your next order, or sign up for free shipping, or a free gift with purchase, or a free ebook. The list goes on. You can do this by creating a pop-up or store overlay that offers an incentive, for example, 10% off your store, but can only be unlocked by entering their email. You can use apps like Just Uno or SumoMe to do this. Once you have your social media followers signed up to your email database, then you can work on converting them to your customers via email marketing. You might like to share your customer reviews or results, share a tutorial, or promote a sale. There are so many different options for email marketing. Now let's move on to the fifth and final way to get more sales in your e-commerce store by using influencer marketing. But first, what exactly is an influencer? An influencer is best defined as someone who has an audience's attention and can influence that audience on a brand's behalf to buy the products that they recommend. They usually have a large engaged social following and are skilled content creators. So then, it'll make sense to you that influencer marketing is when a brand engages an influencer to promote their product to their audience with the intention of growing awareness or making sales. Brands that are able to effectively connect and collaborate with influencers are able to activate powerful marketing campaigns and engage audiences at scale in a form they already trust. Trust is the key component in influencer marketing. 92% of consumers trust recommendations from other people or word-of-mouth marketing over brand content. Influencer marketing can be seen as word-of-mouth marketing at scale. This is because influencers are able to reach and influence far larger audiences than one-to-one word-of-mouth marketing. Influencer marketing has been instrumental in starting all of my brands to date, so much so that I've developed an influencer marketing tool now called Hey Influencers. When we started the Fifth Watches, we created a list of our top 30 influencers to send our product out to. These 30 influencers were then able to create beautiful branded content for us and help us generate hype and demand before launch. Using influencer marketing and Instagram marketing alone, we were able to form a waitlist of over 8,000 people who were really excited for our launch. This helped contribute to our hugely successful first day of sales, where we made over $100,000 revenue in that single day alone. A year on, using similar techniques, we were able to grow our waitlist to over 300,000 people and make over $1 million revenue in a single day of sales. So if you want to get started on influencer marketing today, I'd recommend using my tool, Hey Influencers, which helps you find influencers, reach out to them, and collaborate. Our website is thisishey.com, or you can just Google Hey Influencers. So I've covered 5 ways to get more sales in your e-commerce store, but of course there are many, many more ways, like paid advertising and retargeting, SEO, SEM, website optimization, running a sale or promotion, live chat, social proof, for example, customer reviews, the list goes on. So I'm sure this video has given you a lot of different ideas. I'd encourage jotting them down now while they're still front of mind, and then actioning them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you want more content from myself and the Foundr team, be sure to hit subscribe below.
The Foundr mission is to help you create an ass-kicking business and help you learn straight from the mouths of world-class founders. Get your free printed edition of Foundr magazine featuring Sir Richard Branson. Just cover shipping and handling at foundr.com/Branson.